Okay, skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doos. Last question. Jason had 274 postcards in his collection. He wanted to give Joe some of his postcards. How nice. He gave Joe 8 postcards from each set below: arts, sports, schools, parks, beaches, sunsets. How many postcards does Jason have left? Chunk. Okay, I'm not going to think yet. I'm just going to do my answer statement. Here we go. Jason has blank postcards left. Okay. So now I'm going to stop and have a little think a bit about it. There's a boy and his name is Jason, and he has 274 postcards in his collection. And he's very generous. He wants to give his friend Joe some postcards. So he gives 8 postcards from each set. So I guess he has types of postcards. He's got categories. So he's got an arts category, a sports category, a schools category, parks category, a beaches category, and a sunset category. So the important thing is not to get too worried about like what they are, just know that they're categories. So he gives Joe 8 from each of these. So how many categories are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. So there's 6 categories. Okay, so that's good to know. Okay, so let's see. So here's what we know. First of all, there's more than 2 numbers, so this is going to be a couple of parts. And so let's see. So here's what I know. Here's what I know I need to know. I need to know how many postcards does Jason give away. So how many does he give? Like how many does he give away? Because, oop, I hate it when it does it. That freezes. How many does Jason give away to Joe? Or you could have just done like something really super short and easy and been like, Joe, now that I think about it. And here's how we figure that out. We know that Jason gives Joe 6 categories times 8 postcards equals N, right? There's 6 categories and he gives them 8 each. So 6 times 8. So he gives Joe 48 postcards. So generous again, like I just have to say. So if he is giving 48 postcards away, that's the number that we take away from the total he had before. So if Jason starts with 274 postcards and then he gives away 48 postcards, how many is he left with? Just hold on one second. I just want to change one thing. It doesn't look dark. Ooh. It doesn't look very dark. Just want to make sure you guys can see it. That's better a little bit. Okay, so let me set it up, making sure that I'm respecting the places. That's better. Okay, 4 minus 8, I can't do it. So I slash, the 7 becomes a 6, 4 becomes a 14, and I circle it. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. So Jason has 226 postcards left. And that is the end of that. So I'm going to leave you with a couple of jokes now. Okay. Here's one. Why didn't the quarter roll down the hill with the nickel? Because the quarter had more sense. Get it? Ha 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 ha. How do you make 7 an even number. You take away the S. Get it? Look. How do you make 7 even? Watch. Boom! I leave you with that. Have a great day, guys. Mrs. Witchman signing off.